Now we start the topic atomic structure. Thomson atomic model, J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson believed that electrons were like plums embedded in a positively charged pudding. Thus it is called the plum pudding model. J.J. Thomson in 1898 proposed that an atom possesses a spherical shape, radius approximately 10 raised to minus 10 meter, in which the positive charge is uniformly distributed. The electrons are embedded into it in such a manner as to give the most stable electrostatic arrangement. This model considers that the mass of the atom is assumed to be uniformly distributed over the atom. Although this model was able to explain the overall neutrality of the atom, it could not explain any other properties of the atom. Ernest Rutherford's gold foil experiment 1911. Alpha particles are helium nuclei. The alpha particles are fired at a thin sheet of gold foil. The particles that hit on the detecting screen are recorded. Rutherford's findings: most of the particles passed right through. A few particles were deflected, very few were greatly deflected. Conclusions: the nucleus is small, the nucleus is dense, the nucleus is positively charged. Rutherford atomic model. Based on his experimental evidence, the atom is mostly empty space. All the positive charge and almost all the mass is concentrated in a small area in the center. He called this a nucleus. Size of the nucleus is very, very small. Another postulates: the positive charge and most of the mass of the atom is concentrated in extremely small region called nucleus. Nucleus is surrounded by electrons that move around the nucleus with a very high speed in circular paths called orbits. The electrons and the nucleus are held together by electrostatic force of attraction. Therefore, an electron in an orbit will emit radiation, and as a result, the radius of orbit will continue to shrink. This may lead to the falling of electron into the nucleus. But this does not happen. Thus, the Rutherford model cannot explain the stability of an atom. This model also failed to explain the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus. Thank you.